All right, we're going to go ahead and talk about how this wall can join the floor and how we would get this upper material to extend down past the floor as well. How do we prepare the wall to do that, and how do we prepare the floor to do that properly? There is also a secondary example I want to show you where that's just a continuous one and how it behaves that way. Okay. All right, so let's do the difficult one first. I've got this clapboard wall and I've got this kind of another wall with another finish on it, okay? So mostly people would kind of try to think that, okay, well, if I just go ahead and just select this wall here, I can join it into this floor, and that would be true. If you look at it here in section, you can see that this floor has 2 layers on top of the stud, all right? And then if I go ahead and look at this wall, it has a singular grip. I could grab it and I could pull it down, but see, Revit doesn't want to automatically join it for me, right? And also what's happened too is I've now got a negative number. So that's not really useful. I don't want to do it that way. So this is the way we should do it, in my opinion. Okay, you can do how you want, but this is probably the best way I can see doing it. Click your join and click that wall, and you can see that that stud material extends into the first layer of this finish. Okay, so the reason why it didn't completely come all the way down into there and touch down at the wood is because if you open up this floor here and go to its edit type properties under edit, you're going to notice that the sheathing itself, being the second layer in here, has been set inside the core boundary. So if you select that one and move it up, change its designation to a substrate, okay, then click OK and OK, then you can see that Revit allows the stud completely go through, and you still get to maintain that 0 stud, okay? So that will line up for you like that. Now, to get that finish to extend all the way down to where I want it to, which would be somewhere around here, okay, or wherever it's going to be, okay, just to get that to move independent of that one, currently you only find 1 grip, all right? So what we want to do is you need to click the edit type of the wall, go into the edit button here. Make sure if you're in the plan view like this, if you've never visited this view before, it's probably going to be like this for you. Just go ahead and if you notice these are grayed out, we're going to head into the modify button. Just select the selection button, then all these come alive. And then what we want to do is we want to zoom in real close and then click modify. Then what you want to do is you want to hover over the outer boundary of the layer. In this case, it's my exterior side. JIP. It can be whatever you want. Didn't got to be JIP, but anyway, what you want to do is you want to get your mouse over there onto that particular, so it's a little finicky. Sorry, oops, I escaped out. Let me get back in. My bad. Select the wall, edit type, edit. Preview has to be on, and you got to be in section for these buttons to come alive. Click modify. All right, and I'm trying to zoom in, okay? Just trying to zoom in to where that is. All right, there you go. Click on that. Then when you see the padlock come up, when it turns yellow, click. Now, this is important. Don't make any more clicks. All you need to do, if you click again, it's not going to hold that lock. It's going to cancel it. So just once you make the unlock here, move your mouse over and click OK. OK again. Don't do anything else. Now notice I've got an additional grip that has applied. And what happens here is the base extension has come alive. Now, if I knew what the thickness of this thing was total, I could just do a negative number for it. So selecting that floor, Revit tells me its thickness is 10 3/4 inch. So select the wall and give it a negative 10.75 inches. And voila, it goes ahead and extends down to where I want it. So if I go to 3D, you can see that that joining has run past that just as desired. All right, that's scenario 1. All right, that's because I have 2 different wall finishes on there. That's probably why I want to do it that way. All right, now this way, sometimes the finishes is the same up a wall. Okay, there's no need to change anything because it's all the same. And so what you naturally might want to do is select that wall and set it all the way up to the highest level that you plan on raising it to, right? Now, the only thing that's bad about this is that it affects your count if you're scheduling your walls per level or something like that. But if you're not, and that's not your concern, then go ahead and do this, run it up to the top of your level. And then when you get in this situation right here, what you want to do is you want to choose the join option, click that floor, then that. You notice that Revit automatically will send it past, make the join connections all nice and done for you. Easy as that, and you're all done. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe for more content. Keep watching. Take care.